Good morning mga auntie! So get ready with me. Mayroon tayong casting call and let's prepare for it. So first off, I don't have anything on my face yet. It's a toner. Next is a moisturizer. So while my skincare is drying, let's prepare my hair. I usually have wax. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan napunta. So, ganyan na yung ating buhok. Simple lang at malinis. Now, let's move on to our makeup. Before we start our makeup, let's prep our lips. So, I'm using this. Before I usually start my makeup, I'm using this cream mist muna. Para kapit na kapit. For my foundation, I will use this Tear in the shades of 27C Cool Beige. Yan lang siya. Ang dami kong nalagay. So, you have to tap it here sa side. Light lang siya. Hindi siya full coverage. But you can build it up naman. Hindi na ako sunscreen. Kasi, ayoko may flashback yung picture mamaya or yung video. Ayan, light lang. To cover more dito sa under eye ko, I use some concealer. Ang ganda nito kasi vegan siya and also moisturizer. I mean, moisturizing concealer na to. Concealer brush. And a very cute beauty blender to press the product on your skin. And next is the kilay. Ang gusto ko siya kasi sobrang nipis lang ng tip. Ayan. And on the other side, meron siyang brush. So, ibabrush ko muna yung aking kilay. And then, fill in the blanks. And then, brush. So, since our kilay is done, next is our eyes. So, very light lang. I usually start from my crease dito. Using this brush, I'm gonna blend it para walang mga harsh lines. And then, I'm gonna use this gold shimmer. Champagne pala. Just to have a little sparkle. Who doesn't like sparkle anyway? Nude lang tayo. Very, very light. Next is our eyeliner. So I'm gonna use this. Since happy na ako dito sa aking eye color, eyeshadows, and eyeliner. So, andyan ako sa likod. Nakatayo lang ako. Good luck sa aking mga varicose veins. I got it from Japan. So, it was viral when I was there. Kaya, kinuha ko to. Ang ganda kasi ng tip niya. Tingnan nyo. Super liit lang. Nipis lang. Close-up look. And the other side, the same process. So, our eyes. Hi, Daddy. Is our contour, the most important part of our program. Kasi we don't have much. Hindi naman masyadong sharp yung ating nose. At hindi ako sinusuportaan ng aking fafa. Ayaw niya talagang magpa-nose, job. So, kung gusto niyo na magkaroon ng ganitong sharp na chin, just do that. Makeup can do it. Ayan. And highlighter. Kasi hindi tayo blessed na part. Okay lang. I mean, basta importante. May nagmamahal, aakay sa'yo. Ayan. Yun lang. So, let's blend. Here. Tingnan nyo, magkakaroon ako ng jawline. Akala nyo lang. Akala nyo lang. See? Back. There. And then, the highlighter. I think I need more. I need more. Ay. Ganyan. Is the powder. Magpa-powder muna tayo. And I'm using this Focalor face. Ambot unsa ni. Basta. Meron siya nitong puff. Dito lang ako maglalagay kung saan ako usually nag-go oily. I don't wanna put powder on my entire face. Dito lang na part. Para hindi tayo nagkikakey. Let's just brush it off yung mga excess fat. Yeah, that's it. This is the final touch. Using this blush on. What's happening to me? Using this blush on. It is Peri Pera. I like to use this flat brush. So dito lang tayo banda para may lifting element yung ating makeup. Well, nakita ko lang din at sinundan ko lang din siya. And it works for me. Para lumiit ang ating mukha. Ayan. Hindi talaga ako fully coverage. Brush it again with the powder. Konti lang para hindi ganun ka-harsh yung transition. Ayan. Hindi pa pala ito yung last part kasi magli-lipstick pa tayo mga auntie. And before putting my lipstick on, itatanggalin ko muna yung nilagay kong moisturizer. Then, I'm gonna use this lipstick. Hala, hindi ko na mabasa. Hala! Basta, binigay ni M. Hindi ko mabasa. Ito na. Hindi ko na talaga mabasa. Oh my God, I'm getting old. Hindi ko kasalanan. Masyado lang. Hindi pa rin. Bahala na. Hindi ko talaga mabasa. Kahit anong gawin ko, hindi ko mabasa. So, basta yun na to. Ito na yun. Hindi ko alam kung saan to, anong brand nito. Hug My Lip. Yun ang nakalagay dito. Hug My Lip. In the shade of 6. Light lang din. And there you have it. Let's change our clothes and we'll go. Okay. Let's make it simple lang na accessories. Pearl lang to siya. Plastic lang. Para lang merong konting highlight yung ating pagmumukha. Yan. So,